recap of what we dealt with here over the last couple months is last summer in Elizabeth City, North Carolina, we did our trial deployment, and then we packaged it up for transportation. We hauled it over 4,100 miles across the country from North Carolina to Oregon, and then we put it on the supply vessel that supplies the platform behind me, offloaded it from the ship. Yesterday we upended the crate again here in Hawaii. Today we did the deployment and put it up on top of its final resting place. Like we did when we did the REC tilt up. Once we swing around, then we'll bring it back in so the road's open, so we don't have to worry about that. But the goal is by 6:45 we're swinging and we're up over to the array to Joe and that whole show.